Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. So I'm looking at two cameras. Check it out. Because yesterday I recorded this session and with JJ and Lexton, and for some reason something is wrong with my camera. So we're gonna do a recap and see if this works. So let's get started. The tree. So we trimmed the tree because this is our pear tree. So what we did was, you see the brown spots on the leaves, we took most of them out. We're not sure what it is, some kind of fungal thing. So we did spray it, but you see we got pears. We got pears, people, we got pears. So we trimmed all the brown leaves. Obviously there was more than what you see now. We can't reach the top, obviously. So we trimmed them, and Lexton burned them because according to my little app, if you put the leaf, I don't know, like in your compost bin, or if you put the leaf anywhere, the mold will go to, I guess, wherever you put what's on the compost. So that's what I read. Do your own research. I tell you people all the time, I'm new at this. But check out all the pears we got going on. So I hope we get a pear. I mean, it is great. So we did trim out some. And then here is our mixed, it's like a mixed berry tree. It's supposed to have plums, pears, and I think peaches. So I didn't see any pear, but we did see, I think it's plum or peaches. So there's one right there, one right there, two over here. We have another one somewhere over here. So I don't know if that's peaches, plums, not sure. And since I'm recording with my cell phone, I cannot tell you what it is. But it's a mixed berry fruit. Now, the next thing we did in our lives was we trimmed the hostas. So here we did trim all the hostas that we had, and then we just dropped them so they can dry out and be compost. So we can have more space for our peppers and the rest of my tomatoes that I have going on. So at least when these dry out, I can have space for the peppers and the extra tomatoes we got going on. We left that one alone because that one is in the corner. I don't need that space. But as you can see, we had about 4 or 5 different kind of hostas. As you can see, we just trimmed them. We did not pull them. So hostas come out every year, as long as you don't pull them from the root, they'll come out every year. So usually we trim them. I did it last year when we were doing gardening, and as you can see, they came back again. I mean, they'll continue coming back. As you can see, there's one growing right there, so they'll continue coming back. We just have to continue trimming them so we can have the space for tomatoes and the peppers, because as you can see, we still have buckets full of tomatoes and peppers. Alright guys, that was it. Now I know why they call this the golden hour. But thank you for watching. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe. I have no hands to give you the thumbs up, so you guys can give it a thumbs up. But I will see you guys on the next one, and hopefully we can figure out this camera or what's going on. If not, I guess it's time to buy a new one, and it is gonna be an actual GoPro. So we shall see. Bye guys.